Okay, welcome everybody. We've got a special lesson for you today. I've got Ben, got William. You probably saw them before. William built the trading desk for science, crypto trading desk. He's been trading since he was 11. Ben is, we can't even describe him, but investment banker,
He's a little
technologist, hacker, genius.
Superman.
Superman. So what we're gonna do today is, for most people, would you say, the first place to start if you want to do a little trading, okay, most people should be buying and holding. You're buying on Coinbase, but Coinbase also has another company called GDAX, GDAX. And would you say this is where most people should start out doing some trades?
I would do it over Coinbase. Why waste your time? Just go right into it.
One little side note you were telling me that's cool about Coinbase, GDAX versus Coinbase, is the limits.
Yeah, and actually, if we should see, we should buy our Bitcoin now.
Let's jump we did jump into it. We'll come back around to that.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do people need to know? We're gonna pretend you don't know much about trading.
Yeah.
We're gonna start trading.
Yeah, look at the money. Yeah, it's coming up. So let's just click on this. Let's get right into it.
So I put $1,400 or $1,500 into this account as a sample account. Let's see if we can make some money.
Let's go.
Okay.
All right. So let's click on that $1,400 right there. See it? Boom.
Click. Boom.
Pre-filled.
Yes.
So now, if you click on that, you'll be able to fill it right away in there. And we can just make an market order.
Do you want to do the whole thing?
We're not going to do that right now. So let's go to limit.
So we're going to go to
a quick buy.
Limit.
So let's check this out. So let's go back. Let's click. Let's put it 700. Let's put in half of it.
Okay.
So go to or no 700 down here in the USD. Yep. So put it 700.
Yep.
All right. Now go here. Yep. BTC. All right. So it's actually probably easier to do it this way with these. So go to market. This is an easy trick I use for GDAX.
Yep.
And just type in 700.
Yep.
So now it's 0.04 BTC.
So that's how much. And so now what we're doing is we're buying Bitcoin, cash to Bitcoin, cash to Bitcoin.
I know you like to copy and paste. So why don't you go ahead and copy and paste that number?
All right.
There. Hit another one. Yeah.
Got it.
Copy that. Done. Yep. So now go to limit.
Limit.
So now go to that. Paste that number into there.
This is how much Bitcoin we're going to buy.
So that's $700 in Bitcoin. So just type in, let's put it at 14,889.
How'd you come up with
sorry.
it?
Let's put it at 14,999. There, because let's see where it is right now. Where is it trading?
So right now,
we're just above 15,000.
We'll show you guys.
Right, it hit 15,000 while we were. Oh, it's about to rally heavily.
Yeah, buy.
15,100 or fine, 15,000. 15,040. Put 15,000. Oh, we're not going to get it. Let's just do a market buy because it's rallying. So let's just put 700.
Yeah, and just buy it.
Just buy it.
Buy.
Yeah.
We're in a hurry.
All right, nice. All right, now we have it. All right, so now we have our 0.046 BT or 0.05 because you had a little dust in there. Now this is going to come.
Yeah, I
back
had
up.
100 earlier.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's show people now that we're not in such a rush.
Yeah.
We were in a rush to get that. You guys are seeing real time. Let's show people who are newbies. Okay. What the chart means. We said it. You
like
can
literally
set
while we were sitting there, like remember I was like, let's buy. Boom! It shot up. We would have made like whatever, $50 or $60 on that 700 if we had bought like a couple of seconds before.
Damn it.
It's okay.
So you guys are got to learn how to do this.
Yeah.
So we could send it to candle or line.
Yeah. So that's nice. That volume chart's nice.
Okay. What chart do you like?
I like candles.
All right. So we go to candles.
I'm familiar with.
Tell people listening. What do the green represent?
So actually, these represent 1 minute of price action.
So we can change it here.
Change it 15.
What do you like to generally
15 minutes is good.
Okay, 15 minutes.
Yeah, so now you see it stepping up. It took a huge dive here, so we just bought it at the bottom.
So boom. And what's the simplest thing to remember? What do we want to do?
Buy at the bottom.
We want to buy low, sell high.
The trick is finding the bottom.
Yes.
If you can find the bottom, you're the winner.
And
So-
look, you see that support wall? That's why we're about to keep staying going up.
Yeah, and we
So
can
show
actually,
people-
honestly, why don't we buy more right here? Let's put the rest of it in there.
You
So let's
think?
do
The whole
700.
thing?
Yeah. Bye.
All right. Boom. Market order.
Done. Okay.
Market means
You're going to pay a fee on it, a little more of a fee.
Yeah.
You're going...
you're just going to get it. They want you to get it.
and you're
When
going
you
to
wanna
get it at whatever
you
price
get
is
it.
available. So it might be a little higher.
Yeah.
But it's, you're
So
gonna
we
get
ended
it.
up, you can see our open orders. Have they been filled yet?
Let me fill,
Look at
dude.
that.
They're
Look
right
at the
there.
support. Look at the
0.09.
support wall
Yeah.
on the sell.
Oh, they're right here showing.
Yes.
Woo.
Oh, so now this is coming up.
Coming up. But did we get it?
Yeah, we got it, man.
Yeah.
We're good.
with this much
Our first
volume,
buy was at 15,066. Second one was 15,019 because it fluctuated a little bit. So we averaged down our position probably to like $15,040.
yeah, and this is a good time to probably note that because GDAX is part of Coinbase, for all of the pairs that go between US dollars, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin, they have some of the best volume in the world.
Yeah.
And that means that we can get in and get out faster and more efficiently than on other
Because now you
exchanges.
see this could do a head fake. This could come down to 14,800. This could go back up this. Either way, because of the way the chart looks right now, because there was such a significant drop over the past, 3 hours, I have a very strong feeling that by this evening we'll be heading back towards 16,000 and your money will be in the green.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I bought on average a little over 15,000.
Yeah. So why don't
and
we-
right now it's trading at around 15,000.
So let's go ahead and prepare for that since I know you have to get on a flight tonight.
Yeah.
So let's go to limit.
So we're going to do a limit order. This is something you can do that basically will execute when you're not around.
Yeah.
15,999.
Yeah, let's sell half your Bitcoin.
Okay.
So let's sell point.
So we want to go to limit. We want to do a sell limit. Remember, buy means you're buying it, but if you're on a plane and you want to sell it, don't forget to press sell.
Important.
Sell, very important.
So now go type in 0.047 BTC. So we'll sell half your position.
Okay, so how much BCC do we buy?
We have 0.09. You can see it right there. So let's put in 0.047 there.
0.047, which is so basically half of 99 is around 47.
Exactly.
5 you could put.
Yeah. So let's now put here, and we want to sell that for 15,000. Let's do a random number. Let's do 15,994.
Why do you pick a random number?
We picked one close to 16,000 because that's our target, but we don't pick 16,000 because it might not break 16,000.
Yeah. So just sell that. Press sell there.
I'm gonna press sell.
Yeah. And you can see that'll be for a total of $750.
Hey, let's.
$50.
Yeah, and for the Yep, perfect. All right, so we're gonna place sell order.
Yeah.
751.
Boom. So now that's waiting.
And now you'll see this is an open order. By the way, if you notice here, these ones were filled. It's funny how it looks like nilled. They don't use the best font. But this one says open. So when you guys are looking, open means it's not done yet. So we're again trying to sell high and buy. So we bought at 15,019.
Yeah, and we bought at 15,066 before that. So what we did there was actually a good move.
We averaged it in.
Yeah, you had to average it down. So say if we had more cash sitting on the sidelines here, and it dipped back down to 14,800, we buy a lot there.
Yep.
Because then it's being brought down. By the time it hit 15,000 again, you'd be in the profit.
Yep. So right here you can see, if we sell this, we're only selling half, I think.
Yeah, the sell order is only for half our holdings.
Half. So you don't always try to sell it all. You try to get cash in and then keep moving around.
Yeah.
So what's going on here? So now this is kind of set. We can just kind of chill. You can always cancel this order if you change your mind. So let's go through this because we got a lot of people of different levels. What's this representing here?
Okay, so that's the order book, just like we showed on that Binance lesson.
This is the order book.
Yep, and these are sells, these are buys, just the same.
So these are people selling right here.
But you can see it's moving a hell of a lot faster than it was on Binance.
Yeah,
'cause
yeah.
The volume is through the roof here.
Yeah,
The
GDAX
people selling
has,
that
GDAX
could
has
also be
most.
the Coinbase accounts too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Does Coinbase show here?
Yeah,
they'll
it's
sell.
all through their same exchange.
So if you go on Coinbase and you're a new guy and you're trying to sell your Ether or something like that, Coinbase will probably on the back end flip it there. I don't know how they do it, but maybe.
Yeah.
I guess. Like, how are they all?
Well, how do they always keep the volume so high on those particular pairs?
And by the way, you can look at other pairs here. So you can only trade 4 things on here as of now. So there's other exchanges, Poloniex, Binance, that you can trade all these little coins. But here you have Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, which they just added, ETH.
And look, the price disparity of Bitcoin Cash here between here and Binance.
I know.
So if we could actually go ahead and we could send your Bitcoin Cash from Binance.
Yeah, you could buy
2,700 and sell it for 3,300.
Which, by the way, we don't recommend for novice users. You could end up losing all of your Bitcoin
But
if you make one
It might be
mistake.
something I go do when I get home.
Yeah, we might go do some arb trading.
Are a lot of people doing arbitrage? For those of you who don't know, arbitrage means where you basically buy in one market. Like, let's say Coca-Cola was selling for $1 in Mexico, and you could sell it for $2
Also,
in
you have
Nicaragua.
You have that Bitcoin Cash on Binance right now. It's at $2,300.
Yeah.
Dude. It's trading for $3,100 on GDAX.
You could go sell it over here.
Well, you also know where it's going to go.
Yeah.
On in finance, because regardless, people are going to take advantage of that opportunity, and the price is going to start to go up on
Yeah.
finance.
Yeah.
So you're going to be in the green regardless. You don't
Yeah.
even have to arb it.
People
We're
are
making
buying
some
there
more.
to sell
So yeah,
here.
I can now pretty much assure you that your order is going to execute at that 0.209 price. that
We were
put
working
there.
on some other more advanced stuff that's not in here on another exchange called Binance. Okay, so we have Bitcoin. Let's look at Litecoin.
Yeah.
And do you like to look at the pairing Litecoin versus US dollars, Litecoin versus Bitcoin, or Litecoin? You usually look at it versus Bitcoin, right?
Yes.
So usually, but if you're wanting to see what it looks like
on
versus.
GDAX, I'll do it on USD
Because they have a lot more volume versus
Yeah.
USD than anybody
So
else.
here you could see Bitcoin.
Yeah, but if I was doing like a Litecoin pair, I'd pull any X or another one. I would.
So this is a bear chart to me.
Yeah. Me
It's
too.
already down, but it looks like it's going to go down some more.
We talking. Let's do Litecoin. Let's talk about Litecoin here.
Okay.
So we set it to Litecoin versus paired with US dollars, USD. What are we seeing? Do you like this chart? Is this the time to buy? Is this the time to sell?
It looks like it's just going to stay stable.
And it looks
so
like it
it's
could
not
be
exciting for me.
possibly bearish.
Possibly bearish or stable, but definitely not bullish. And that's not what we're looking for on GDAX. We're looking for something that's about to pop.
Yeah, like
So you're
Bitcoin
looking for
Cash.
something that's low.
Like Bitcoin
but how do you
Cash.
see that? How you guys are
Look
experts.
look how well the left and the right look
Here
the
and
same.
here?
Yeah.
So this is a different type of chart. This is your candle. So we're looking here, and how can I make this bigger? There we go. So basically,
That's
this
the
is
whole
the
book.
side.
Yeah.
This is people who want to buy
for
low.
nothing.
So they want to buy. Right now, it's at $290 per Litecoin. Wow, look at that. It's a very steep wall.
Yeah, but that you zoomed out, so that's actually not as close to the price.
But it shows
as
you
think
how
it is.
but it shows you where the range is trading on Litecoin right now. It's not going to be an interesting 24 hours for
Yeah.
Litecoin because people are not buying in huge spreads.
So it can be sold for 320. All right, so here, this is showing where people are wanting to sell. So does this show that 291 means something? Because there's kind of a wall right there.
Yep.
So what does that wall mean for somebody watching here?
So that's
It's probably a place a lot of people bought in. So at the end of the last dip, maybe it hit 290, and a lot of
they're
people
just
bought
trying to
in
get
there.
out of the
So-
trade.
So people are, since people are not good psychologically when it comes to trading,
Yeah.
people are going, I paid 290, so I got to at least get 290 before I sell.
Yeah.
So this is the sell side.
And they're going to lose money.
Yeah, because of the transaction fees.
Well, yeah. And also, like, personally, if that was me and I got stuck in a trade like that, I would just sit on it and forget about it, and then
Yeah.
I'd get back to it once Litecoin was up $300 or whatever. I'm not going to go ahead
like-
and sell it unless I
Remember, we're in an
unless
overall
I'm
bull
starting
market,
capital.
and that should be your insurance policy. Your
Yeah.
insurance policy should be hodling.
Do
So.
you think it's going to be a continued bull market as of
for the next
December?
2 years.
Yeah, we're in a continuous bull market. 2018 should be bull almost all the way through with like a week at a time of bear markets.
So this is a great time to be trading, you think?
It's a great time to be exposed.
Yeah.
And trading, if you can manage to make good trades, it's the best way to do it.
Yeah.
Because you don't just expose yourself to the upside, you expose yourself to new upsides every day.
Let's go to the Bitcoin chart.
We're back here. We're going to switch back to Bitcoin versus US dollars.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. See, now it's going back down to 14,800, like I said. So, watch. I guarantee you. Yeah. Like while I was saying it, it happened. So let's just watch.
Went to 14,850.
It's doing a little head fake. So you're losing money on this
So
trade.
tell
right
me
now.
what a head fake means.
I just kind of it's right now it's flushing out the cold hands.
Yeah.
Or sorry, flushing out the weak hands. The cold hands like us are just going to hang out and yawn while everyone else loses money. And then the buyer support's going to come in down there, and we're going to be pushed back into the grain. You make money on this trade.
Yeah. So the thickness of the candle shows where most of the action is, right? Between this range, and it's bouncing down. Yeah, 14,749.
It'll come to the bottom of this candlestick. This red one.
You think it'll come to here?
Yeah, so 14,500.
Why do you think it'll go to there?
Because that's the last place that it was touched bottom, and that's where it got support last time. And you can see here, where's that line?
Boom.
14,498.
Oh, it's at 14,540.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Right about
right
similar.
about there, yeah.
So support, for somebody listening, what do you mean when you say support?
That's where people are going to be buying, right?
So basically, if it goes too low,
It means
some
it's
people love
undersold.
Bitcoin and they're like, we'll take your Bitcoin
We'll
for
take
you.
it
Yeah,
right
we'll
now.
take it
We'll
right
take
now.
it off your hand
Yeah,
at
I'll be gobbling them
14.5.
all up right there.
Yeah.
Look, see, 14,549. What it is coming down right now.
Yeah.
It's right there, 14,698.
So we could potentially, if you believe in Bitcoin, you could buy when it hits right here.
Yeah, I'd put an order there. If
I
we
think
did,
we're out
if
of
all
money.
our money's already off the table. So for example, like if you wanted to do this quickly, you could go on Binance, sell some of your holdings there. You could flip that over here and buy
Yeah.
that. But usually I keep a lot more US dollars on the sideline.
Yeah.
In the future we can represent that. But
So 14,563.
for you, you made quick trades, right? We
And it
bought
looks like it's
quick.
about to shift back into a bull.
Yep. We got in. You can see.
You can see all the action on the sell side.
Yep.
Somebody's running a script and pumping a lot
You
of
think
different
this is
trades at the same time.
algorithmic trading?
There's some
time.
algorithmic trading going
I
on.
can see it again with these small decimal
These
points.
small, like 2,
0.001. Who wants to buy 0.0001 Bitcoin? Are you going to do that?
Yeah.
Is someone going to go?
There's one. 0.0001.
Yeah.
So
those
there's
are-
people sitting in their basement, writing, taking scripts, and they're just.
all day. Oh yeah, they've been doing it for years.
Yeah.
So you got to fight against the bots. That's part of what we'll teach you. Trade around the bots.
Look at these. I know there's some teeny ones
Yeah.
that people are buying.
That's a bot.
But look,
baby.
that's not happening on the buy side. So somebody's trying to create a bear market in GDAX right now.
So you think someone's trying to potentially
Psychologically,
Someone's
get some people
baiting
to,
the order book for
somebody's
sure.
trying to get the people with shaky hands to sell, try to get the price down as low as possible, and then they're probably going to buy as much as they can.
So is there a lot of that going on?
all day. These
All
markets
day.
are so new. Yeah.
People are going crazy.
Oh yeah, but if you know they're doing it, then you can play against them and make money off them.
You just play with them, basically.
Yeah, it's crazy. Look at that. It's just like
It's nuts, man. It's the first time in history there's been markets like this since whatever.
So
early
these-
1900s, man.
Yeah. Yep. So the buyers has this. How often do you like to set this ever to 1 minute? It's
Sometimes.
just too granular.
It
Sometimes
depends. When you have super
volatile stuff.
volatile stuff or you have a breakout, then you might want to go to 1 minute so you can figure out when to do your sells.
But I'll
breakout up
I
or
like
breakout
5
down.
minutes. 5 minutes is the lowest I usually go.
5 minutes is the lowest, yeah.
Yeah.
What is, do you ever use these overlays?
Yeah, those are moving averages. We
Yeah.
can get into those later. It's just going to confuse everyone.
We don't want to get too advanced.
Yes.
Let's talk about Ether for a second.
Yeah.
What do you see? Let's look through all of these.
I'm
So,
a buy on Ether
We're-
right now.
so let's go. Let's talk Ether, US dollars.
What do you see here in
It
this chart?
rebounded today, but it didn't rebound quite as much as everything else,
All right.
which tells you
Go
there
to
might be
15
still some
minute.
upside left.
We're gonna go to 15 minute. All
Yeah,
right. So, here we go.
so I'd buy Ether here.
So why would you buy Ether here?
Because it was at almost $800 this morning. It's going to hit a little bit today. I think we're going to be bullish going into the holiday season, so I'd be happy with a swing trade on Ether for the next 4 days.
Yeah, it went to 716 right there, which is what it's at right now, and it peaked.
If you look, the sell orders are really thin at the top,
It peaked
There's
at.
no sells on Ether.
so
it's
it
all
can
buy.
actually break
Did it
out.
peak
up.
at 878 there?
Yeah.
Oh no, that was a couple days ago.
So
Sorry,
it was on
my
the
bad.
21st.
6 hours.
I mean, the
So
hodls are strong with Ethereum right now.
Dude, yeah. It's also like, if you think about it.
there it is, 777.
Yeah,
It was.
there's all
at.
these companies that have built companies on top of Ethereum, and they're going to need Ethereum to run their companies.
Yes. So there's support for Ether.
There's less people selling at the higher prices.
And Ether is also necessary.
Yeah.
Like Ether has made itself.
It's a utility. It actually has real
It
utility.
has a killer app, and the
It's-
killer app is ERC20 tokens.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's needed because there's 1,500 businesses right now that are trying to build
Yeah,
using.
on top of that.
Well,
It's
Ether
like when
is
the
a fuel.
PlayStation 2 came out and it was the cheapest DVD player you could buy. That's Ethereum. It has more utility than anything else on the market right now.
So right here, when we look at these walls, so what are we seeing here? That's saying a lot of people will buy right around 715.
Yeah.
Well, and it's also saying
That's where we are right now.
You can sell 129 Ether.
We're gonna have to get you some. You haven't been
Bull.
sleeping.
No.
Do we have any Red Bull?
Yeah.
William may fall asleep during this lesson. We're gonna have to be.
I'll
we're
just
like,
keel over.
Yeah.
Nightmares last night.
He trades a lot.
Oh yeah. all
So
the
this
time.
is saying, is this wall meaning you don't think it's going to go much below 715?
It won't go much below that.
Because
that wall right
you
there
see
is-
how steep this is.
So look, it goes
See,
to
look,
712.
what's happening right now. So that both of the walls have piled up.
Yes.
On both sides, right? Which means that both of them think the sells think it's going to go down, the buys think it's going to go up, and you're just going to see who wins.
So basically it's at, geez, this thing moving around. Wow, and it's pretty narrow too.
Uh-huh.
So this, what you're saying is you don't see
Volatility is
this,
about to go up.
and do you see this as a great buy right now?
I'd buy it.
I'd buy it literally right now.
I'd buy it right now.
That's where we, at 712.
Yeah. Oh, right here. Let's go to the bottom of that red candlestick. Let's look at.
We'll just do it like
the
a
bottom
dummy
of
right
that
now. Let's
stick?
pretend we put a Bitcoin in.
Yeah, let's just buy. Let's sell some of our Bitcoin and
go
just.
ahead.
The point of this lesson, by the way, we're not actually trying to make money. We're trying to show you guys all.
Bitcoin also came down to where I said it would also.
Yeah.
Let's just sell it. Let's sell half of it.
Yep.
So go ahead.
So we're going to.
We'll just sell that. Yeah. 0.05. Let's just sell it at market since we don't care, like you're saying.
Market, and we
We'll
want
click
to
on
sell
that.
$700.
You can just click on that with those. Just sell it.
Yep.
Done. All right.
So let's get our money back. Let's mess with
So get that
Ether.
money in there and go to Ether.
It's not. It's still open.
Oh, no, it's there. 762.
Oh, we got it?
USD.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet.
So go to Ether.
Oh yeah, that's the other. That's
Yeah, it's
that
over.
other.
limit.
710.
So let's go to Ether. So we're in here.
Let's do a limit
Oh,
buy.
it dropped.
Yeah, let's do a limit buy quick.
So we're gonna buy before William falls asleep.
Yeah, let's enter hit USD. Click it, and it'll pre-fill the amount of Ether.
Yep. Let's just buy. Let's buy half. Let's just buy 350. So we have a
Oh
little.
no, that's
left
not. That's 350 Ether. That's a.
Oh, whoop, whoop. Yeah, they're not do that.
Let's buy. How about this? Buy 0.5 Ether, because it's 350 bucks.
Yeah. 0.5. I'm gonna buy half an Ether.
And let's buy it at 7.0. Let's buy it at 7.
Where?
Put it at 7.08.
That's right on the wall.
Yeah.
You think it's gonna fill?
We'll see. Let's try.
If it doesn't, we'll buy it market in a
Do it
second.
now.
So this is a limit order, guys. Limit orders means
It's not guaranteed. It market
fill.
order if you really want to buy immediately,
Yeah.
but
Because it's at 7.09 now. We're hoping it's going to dip back down to 7.08, and you're going to be able to fill
come
that.
on,
And
drop.
You can actually see your order right here for 0.5 Ether at 7.08.
they're at. We should put a. They need little emojis. Everyone should have an emoji.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want the books emoji.
Me dying.
Yeah. Nice.
That's what I got on my verified Snapchat. They gave me the books.
Really?
Oh, yeah, I got the little books.
I love it.
I was waiting for them to verify. I was like, nobody else take the books, please.
Yeah. Books are times.
The books. There, it just got filled.
Yeah, there you go. So it came
Boom,
down
we
to
got filled.
7.08. Yeah, and now it'll probably come back up because it's going to come to the bottom of that candlestick, like I said.
So it's at 707 right now. So hopefully the thing moves back up.
And if you wanted to, by the way, if you guys wanted to make money, you could press sell, and you could try to sell it at,
at
whatever.
7.20.
Where would you go
7.5.
that? Would you go that?
I would go. I'd probably go higher.
800. Hey, why don't we do it? So we'll see if they
But
trigger.
why
on the
would you
plan.
do it way so high? It's not gonna, you think it's going to move there?
I think I would put the order at 750.
Yeah, it's been
Right in the
moving all
middle.
day. Look
Yeah.
at the top of the last peak.
So the top of the last peak was 760. Oh no, well the very top, it depends.
Put it at 750.
Yeah, you want to say.
775 was the highest it's been.
Then put it at 750.
Yeah.
Look, you want to take some meat, but you don't want to lose it in the
click on the
process.
point.
So don't be too greedy,
Don't be
guys.
too greedy. That's where we all mess up.
So now that's the amount we're gonna sell.
At 750.
We're gonna sell 750.
Actually, do 749. Psychological price points.
Yeah.
But whose psychology? Yours or mine?
Pop psychology.
Everybody.
Everybody else.
Oh yeah.
Everybody else might defend.
Do we have some
750
kind of
and we'll
Red
never
Bull, Lisa? Give him some coffee because
great.
he may not make it through this whole. We may lose him. He might just
working.
be on the floor.
Thank you.
All right, so I'm going to place it. We good?
And the black coffee will get it for. Is that cream?
And there's some other options, guys. If you do advanced, if you want to do, if
Thanks,
you're a little
buddy.
more sophisticated,
Oh, beautiful.
all the
Thank
filler
you,
kill
sir.
stuff, but don't worry about that for now. This is like the market. Okay. So now you always double check your work, guys. So check your order.
Did it go in? Yep. So we have an order to sell. It's not filled yet at 749.
You got pulled in there. Go back here.
Damn
Then.
it.
You got pulled into order history. So yeah,
There we
now
go.
it's at 749.
Yep.
All right. So you're gonna get your.
And I'm liking the
0.5.
chart right now.
Me too. I'm loving the chart right now.
What do you love about this chart?
Look at that, man.
We're at the bottom, and there's a lot of support on the buy side. And
It's not gonna go below
sells might go
650.
somewhere else. You know,
Yeah.
the buys don't look like they're going anywhere.
Yeah.
It's always a war. It's a constant war between bull and bear,
Yeah.
and buy and
Is he
sell.
in any of these shots? Oh, he's in that one.
Yep.
That's a wide lens, huh?
Yeah.
It's nice.
Damn.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Thank you for the
Okay.
coffee, man. That was refreshing.
That was, so just as we kind of wrap up here, I want to talk about one more thing, which is for those of you trying to buy on Coinbase and you're having issues with getting money, you were talking about how you like to use GDAX. What's the advantage of GDAX? They're owned by the same company, by the way. It's kind of weird.
Well, GDAX, basically, I think if you buy through Coinbase, I haven't done it in ages, but I think you pay a 3% fee, right?
Okay.
If you buy through GDAX, you're just going to pay your exchange fee, and it's going to be instantaneous. So you can wire money to GDAX, and it'll be there the same day.
Yeah,
If you do it in the
GDAX
morning.
is, so you can set up your Coinbase account and then you can get GDAX.
Yeah. Then you'll have
You
access.
get it automatically, and you can move your Coinbase. You'll see, to move money from one to another, there's a little process that you do, and it's not very hard.
I don't know why Coinbase doesn't advertise GDAX, probably because
I know. What is the reason?
probably so they don't have to do more customer support for two platforms.
Yeah.
I don't know, man.
So our price is hitting 710. So it's bouncing around. We're hoping, of course.
You're already
here-
in the money because you bought at 708.
Yep. We're hoping it hits 749. Oh yeah, here's the fill. So we've made some money.
Made
We
about-
bought at 708. It went to 709. It's almost at 710. 710.
You made about 75 cents.
Yeah, I made 75 cents. Woo! That'll pay for that coffee.
Yeah, baby. Thanks, Ty.
Now, of course, that's if you're
I'm
messing
pulling my weight.
with $1,000.
I'm
Yeah.
pulling my weight, baby.
Don't drink 75 cents more worth more coffee.
Yeah, well, until we make another 75 cents.
Let's hope
Yeah,
this
wait.
moves. All right, guys. So here's a little homework for you. You got your money, most of you in Coinbase. Go transfer a little bit of it, if you want to. This is optional, to GDAX, but move $100. If you want to learn about this, you need to be willing to lose, $100. That hopefully is not going to bankrupt you. If you can't afford to lose $100, you should not be doing anything.
You should not be anywhere near crypto.
You should not be near crypto. This stuff moves up and down. It's for the people that are not, hyper worried. If you're hyper anxious, do not do this. Go put your money in Bank of America or something.
Yeah, or in a
And
gold
pray
bar.
for the best. Bar gold, yeah, or a piece of land.
Yeah.
Those of you, put $100 in and go make a trade, and don't worry about doing it perfectly. Worst case, you lose $100.
This is all about learning.
Yeah. And you don't even have to do the whole $100. You can see people putting in micro orders here. Look at all these .001.
And that might be a nice way for you to learn. Just playing with $10 at a
Yeah,
time.
play
man.
with 10. You got $100 in there. You can do 10 trades for $10 each.
Yeah.
There's not even 10 different things you can buy here. You can only buy 4. So buy some Litecoin, buy some Ether, and leave a comment below with your experience. For those of you who are more advanced, leave a comment below on what you think. I'm going to give you this homework right here. Give your opinion on this candle chart for Ether. You can see it right here. I got it set to every 15 minutes. We got it zoomed in. For those of you more advanced, leave your opinion of this. Let's do a little test. And awesome. Thanks for being here. See you guys on the next lesson.
Yeah, thanks, guys.
Awesome, thanks.